Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar. My goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we're doing a nice little sipper that's gonna be perfect for the winter time. A great little introduction to stirred whiskey classics. This cocktail is made with Irish whiskey. It's made with Green Chartreuse, and it's made with sweet vermouth, Angostura bitters. It's stirred, it's served up, it's garnished with an orange peel. This is the Tipperary. Now, I love doing a classic stirred cocktail because there is no prep work. All you gotta do is go and buy the booze, make the cocktail, and enjoy. So this cocktail was made somewhere around 1916 and first printed in a cocktail book called Recipes for Mixed Drinks by Hugo R. Enslin. Now, this cocktail originally called for Bushmills, chartreuse, and sweet vermouth. However, I think you can pretty much go with any Irish whiskey. I decided today to go with Tullamore Dew because it was on sale at the liquor store, so why not catch a deal where you can? Other little caveat I'm doing today, instead of using straight up Green Chartreuse, I am using Izarra, which is basically a chartreuse replacement. I find that it works pretty well. If you disagree, I'm sorry. If you're making cocktails at home though, it is a little bit cheaper way to go instead of buying a bottle of legit Green Chartreuse, which I love. But if you're at home, why not save some coin when you can, right? I got the Dolan Vermouth today, not my personal favorite. I usually like going with Cokie Americano, but hey, you know, sometimes you find what you find, and this is what they had at the liquor store I stopped at today. So that's what we're doing, little Angostura bitters. Again, no prep work to be done, so let's just jump right into making the Tipperary. As I said, this is a stirred cocktail, so first thing you're gonna need is your mixing glass. And you're gonna need your jigger. You're also gonna need your glassware. And working cheapest, most expensive ingredients, we're gonna go with our 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, whole ounce of our sweet vermouth, a half ounce of our Green Chartreuse or Green Chartreuse replacement. Oh, another great one, cloister bitters. That's a great little replacement, it's a little bit cheaper. And we got 1.5 ounces of Irish whiskey. Ice that mixing glass, grab your bar spoon and stir for 20 seconds. Grab your Hawthorne strainer and let's strain that cocktail. Love when you have the perfect size glass for the job. Makes the drink just look even better. All right, let's grab our peeler and let's get a nice little orange peel for garnish. Nice wide fat peel. Give that cocktail a spritz. And I'm just gonna roll that bad boy up and clip it to the edge of the glass. And there you have it, guys. Tipperary. All right, let's taste. Grab my garnish, throw it right down in the cocktail there. Beautiful orange on the nose, you get a little bit of that ango, that kind of cinnamon note. Wow. Perfect level of sweetness. Get this little dry, I don't know, front of the palate note. That Irish whiskey stays strong, but it's not overpowering by any means. Really nice. I love the build for this Tipperary. I think I read somewhere that it's a riff on the Bijou, which is a cocktail, I believe it came out of New Orleans or something like that. I have to double check that information. Yeah, super nice. That little bit of orange really kind of opens the cocktail up. It's really light for a stirred whiskey cocktail. It's not overly abrasive, it's not overly boozy, even though it is all booze, but it's really well balanced. The flavor from that Izarra, that Green Chartreuse replacement I'm using is really nice. If you can go Green Chartreuse, go Green Chartreuse because it is better in all cases, but this is a nice replacement for a little less to save you a little coin. Tipperary, guys, beautiful sipping little stirred whiskey cocktail, little 3-part cocktail, 4-part cocktail, I guess if you include the bitters. Super easy, super nice. You gotta love a stirred whiskey cocktail, man, super clean. Very easy to drink. If you're a whiskey lover or you want to get into whiskey cocktails, this is a great place to start right here. It's not too heavy, it's not overly like punching you in the face or the mouth. It's a nice little enjoyable whiskey sipper. I love that. I don't drink enough of these. I usually go with the Vieux Carré. That's my go-to when I go to whiskey drinks, personally. But this Very nice. Might have to start mixing that in to the repertoire. There it is, guys. The Tipperary. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote down, say, for a later date. But either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.